Humpty Dumpty dreamed of the sky, perched on a wall, oh so high. One day I'll fly, just wait and see. I'll float like clouds, wild and free. The birds all chirped, be careful dear, the wind is strong this time of year. But Humpty smiled and spread his arms, ready to leap into sky's charms. A gust of wind gave him a start. He wobbled, teetered, lost his heart. Down he tumbled with a loud oh no, landed softly on a nest below. The mother bird chirped, "You're safe, my friend. Dreams are lovely, but walls must mend. Climb back up, but take it slow. The sky will wait, it's good to grow." Humpty Dumpty learned that day, dreams are worth it, come what may. He patched his cracks, climbed once more, and waved to the sky he still adored.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.